Our brand new quadruple folding mattress is combined with comfort and convenience. You can enjoy a perfect sleep foundation everywhere and anywhere. This versatile mattress bed serves multiple functions and it's super easy to use. A foldable and lightweight design makes it suitable for travel and storage. You can use it as a comfortable bed when camping, and it can also provide a comfortable place for guests to sit or sleep. Don't be hesitant to buy it. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Giantex Foldable Mattress. It can be placed in different rooms and you can use it in many ways. If you put it in your living room, you can sit on it with your families and invite your guests to sit, pleasantly chatting or watching TV. Number 2. Comfortable and supportive. Made of 180 grams mesh fabric and 25D super slim rebound sponge, tri-fold and lightweight design come with 2 handles more suitable for daily use. You can enjoy a perfect sleep foundation everywhere and anywhere. Number 3. Exercise mat. This versatile mattress bed serves multiple functions and it's super easy to use. A foldable and lightweight design makes it suitable for travel and storage. You can use it as a comfortable bed when camping. Number 4. Recommended setup step. Set up the mattress in a well-ventilated area and release a harmless odor that should be dissipated within a few hours. The mattress will expand within 48 hours. Number 5. Convenient use. 2 magic stickers on each side. Also, a design with a removable washable cover will help you clean it very easily. Perfect for different rooms and you can use it in many ways. Queen mattress. Overall dimension of this item: 60.0 inches by 80.0 inches by 4.0 inches length by width by height. Number 6. Quadruple folding design. The quadruple folding design makes the mattress easy to store and carry. In addition, you can also change this mattress into sofa or bed status according to your sitting or lying needs due to the foldable design. Number 7. Multifunctional mattress. This versatile mattress bed serves multiple functions and it's super easy to use. A foldable and lightweight design makes it suitable for travel and storage. You can use it as a comfortable bed when camping, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.